4 months ago, I beat MISFIRE as a new hardest and a jump from Hypersonic. After that, I began grinding the popular Extreme Demon Idols, which I had decent progress on. However, this level would soon get stale and boring to play. So, in the background, I randomly started playing Sonic Wave, as it seemed fun at the time. Just so you know, this level ended up being anything but fun. Anyways, after 3 days of grinding, I managed to get 77 to 100 on Sonic Wave. At this time, my plan was not to make a big jump, because Hypersonic and MISFIRE had already taken me far too long. Little did I know that Sonic Wave would be more of a hellish nightmare than I would ever dream. And even after all that, I can smile and look back on Sonic Wave and say, man, I'm so glad I never have to play this bum-ass piece of shit level ever again. This level pushed me to my breaking point, putting mental strain on me that I had never felt before. I would get so unlucky that even after getting 92%, I would drop Sonic Wave in order to take a break from the mental toll this level was having on me. However, after beating Bloodbath, Allegiance, Blade of Justice, and Crowd Control, I would return to Sonic Wave in hopes that I would finally conquer it. And conquer it, I did. After this horrible death chart, 90%, 92% twice, 93%, 24,678 attempts, and the most mental breakdowns and strain I've ever undergone while playing a video game. Everybody watching, it is with great pleasure that I finally present to you Sonic Wave 100%. I don't know if we'll be able to beat it today, even though my consistency was really good. I mean, fucking 93 and 92 in one day is actually kind of crazy. Yes! Yes! It's over! It's over! It's over! I beat Sonic Wave! I beat Sonic Wave! Fuck! Oh my gosh! Yes! Fuck! Yes! Yes! I beat it! Oh my gosh! Stop. Oh my gosh, don't touch my computer, please. And it's... Oh my gosh! 92, 93, and 100% all in one day. My consistency is actually yes! I beat it! Oh my gosh! 3 months of torture is over. I never have to play this shit ass level ever again. Yes! Yes! Okay, wait, guys, attempt farming time. Fuck, I can't even speak. I was gonna say oh shit. I was gonna say aura farming time, but I can't even. Wait, hold on. Let me notify everybody. Wait, let me get in a call with Christian real quick. Hello? Christian, I beat Sonic Wave. I just beat Sonic Wave.
You did?
Yes, I just beat Sonic Wave right now. Right now.
For real?
Yes, I just beat Sonic Wave. 92, 93, and 100 all in one day. Bro, I've been playing for like 30 minutes. They were all in this. Okay, wait. Guys, opinions on the level. 0 out of 10. This level's fucking ass. Never play it. Okay.
Did you rate it yet? Did you?
Oh, yeah. Extreme Demon. No, I think it's the easy demon. No, I shouldn't have liked it. I should have disliked. Okay, wait. I gotta count attempts. Wait, give me my phone. I need my calculator. Wait, I have to do this quick because my PC's gonna run out of storage soon. Okay, wait. It's gonna be over 20. I think it's like 25k. 7104. And.
Oh, good. Very good.
7104. And.
I won a little bit.
Oh my gosh, bro. Plus 17,574. 24,678 attempts. Okay, wait, guys. We have 24k attempts. Wait, I gotta. Fuck, I can't even type. Wait, what did I say? What did I say the thing was? 24,678 attempts. Okay, wait, I got a comment on Sonic Wave. Hold up.
Zodiac.
Bro, I actually cannot.
Zodiac Wave.
Okay, let's go.